everybody, Jason.Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over one of my favorite floor plans, the 243 RBS Coachmen Catalina, and this is a 2019. Literally just came in the other day. So we're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish up on the exterior. Follow me. So as you can see, Catalina has went to the new steps that everybody is just loving. So these are super popular, so stable, so great for going in and out. So one of the things that makes this trailer so popular is it's fairly short and you still get a super slide. You get your couch and your dinette. So that makes it extremely popular. You do have a good sized bathroom, the corner shower, and then some storage here in the back. Good use of the space. Nice booth, storage beneath the booth as well. They went to a little lighter wood as well. I kind of like that. It brightens up the trailer. Nice sleeper couch there. They're using the Norcold fridge and freezer combination. Seems to be really popular these days. They've got the nice lip in the freezer just in case anything does thaw out. They've also went to the Furrion stove and oven, and this is also extremely popular. The glass, being able to see in there, the glass top. They've got a nice backsplash in here. Fridge, hood combination. Big sink and faucet. And Coachmen actually creates this countertop material themselves. So it is a sealed countertop. There's no seams in it, so it's kind of nice. Let's see, we do have a fireplace, a TV, and lots of storage in the front. And you also pick up this bar area in this trailer. You do have stools, so you can sit here and maybe have some breakfast or have a drink and talk. And then we do have a door to separate from the living area and the sleeping area, which I like, true separation. So room for a TV back here, storage above and on the side, storage below as well. So let's go over the outside features real quick. Again, you can just feel the stability coming down those steps. They feel great. Really big awning covering the majority of the trailer out here. We've got nice trim here to protect in case of a blowout. Instead of plastic, you've actually got some metal there. This is for your potable water. If you're going to take it with you, do some dry camping, this is where it goes. Back of the fridge, furnace exhaust, so those do get hot. Let's come around back here, full-size bumper, comes with a spare hot and cold shower, little place to connect it right here. You could set up a little bathroom station back here if you wanted. This is for black tank flush, and this is city water connect. So if you need water and you're in a park, this is where it'll attach, and this is for flushing out your sewer system. In the corner here, we have our water heater, our power cord. This is our 30 amp power cord here. Cable satellite. Main termination valve for our black and gray dumps. Pardon me. And one of our 4 corner stabilizers. If you've got a drill, get a socket that fits this, and that'll help it raise and lower very quickly. Coming around back to the front here, you can see the front of our pass-through storage here. So we've got pass-through underneath that bed. It's separate from the inside there, in case you don't want your items mingling. You do get an electric tongue jack with this trailer as well. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our other RVs, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day.